Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Trust Wallet account. First, download the Trust Wallet app from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and choose to create a new wallet. You'll be given a 12-word recovery phrase. Write this down and store it in a very safe place. This phrase is your only way to recover your funds if you lose access to your device. Now, let's cover sending and receiving cryptocurrency. To receive funds, simply tap the Receive button, select the desired crypto, and share your unique wallet address or QR code. For sending, tap Send, choose the asset, paste the recipient's address, and enter the amount. Always double-check the address before confirming to ensure your funds go to the correct destination. Trust Wallet also allows you to swap and stake your digital assets. The swap feature lets you exchange different cryptocurrencies right within the app, saving you time and fees. For those looking to earn passive income, explore the staking option. You can stake supported coins to earn rewards, but always research the specific asset and its staking requirements before committing your funds. Finally, let's talk about security. Always enable a strong passcode and biometric authentication for your wallet. Your 12-word recovery phrase is your master key. Never share it with anyone, even if they claim to be support. Be extremely cautious of suspicious links or messages. Trust Wallet will never ask for your recovery phrase, so stay vigilant to protect your valuable assets.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.